Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this coffee and spice grinder, and Secura did send this over to us for us to check out. Now, the main thing I'm going to be looking at here is the coffee and spice grinder. It does also include a chopper in here, so that's nice as well. But we're going to go ahead and put the grinder on here. It just goes like that. Twist to lock in, and I've got some peppercorn medley here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in here. There we go, just a little bit. Don't want to do a whole bunch there. Don't need a whole bunch of this stuff grinded up, however you want to say that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the top off of this one here. Creates a nice, good seal on there. You definitely want that. And then what you do is you take this piece here after you've plugged it in, and for the grinding, which is what we're going to be doing, you want to kind of do it in a pulsing mode. So we'll go ahead and pulse this. See what that looks like. Oh yeah. Wow, now that is some fine pepper. Did a really good job in there. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see if it makes me sneeze. It's probably going to make me sneeze. I can already smell that. Woo, I can smell that pepper. That smells absolutely amazing. Super fresh ground up pepper right there. Let's go ahead and pour this in here to where you can see it. There you go. Could make it even more ground up, but that's what we have right there. Speaking of grinding it up a little bit more, let's go ahead and do that. Let's throttle this all the way and see how fine we can get this stuff just for you guys. I bet this stuff is really small now. Oh yeah, it's like dust now. There you go. So if you want some super fine spices, this thing will also do the trick. I like how it's all nice and see-through, so you can see in there and see your spices and see exactly how fine you want to get them. You don't have to put a bunch in there. Obviously, you can put a bunch in there if you would like, but this is great, especially if you just want to keep the bigger spices. You don't want to have to buy a whole bunch of different sizes of spices. Me, I love to cook. That's why I'm excited about this. Now I can just keep the larger spices, and then I can shred them down with this to the appropriate size. So, super cool here. I think it's neat. I think you'll think it neat. Go ahead and check this one out from Secura.